This is the Boltx Lipo high voltage battery, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly why it's a must-have for RC plane enthusiasts and how it can make your flying experience so much better. I have two of these batteries to show you. One is an 11.4 volt 3S battery and the other a 15.2 volt 4S battery. I've had troubles in the past finding a perfect battery for my A10 because either they were too big or too weak. Finding a 3S battery that fit was almost impossible. But then I ran into this one. And as you can see, not only does it power this plane on solid 3S, but also lasts long enough to get a nice chill flight. Let's bring it in. So these batteries are really reliable under stress and heavy use. To prove this, me and my friend took our identical planes up in the air together in FPV to see which battery lasts longer, the Boltx or a 3S battery from another manufacturer.
How about you?
Same.
Oh, nice. Okay, get nice and high.
Yep.
Oh, this is beautiful.
And as you will see, even though the other battery had much more MAH...
Yeah, okay, no, I'm gonna go against you.
Oh shit. Wait, I'm out of power.
Out of power.
Yeah.
Code for landing. Okay, I will too.
Okay, I just landed.
He's gonna crash. Please.
I just crashed. Wait, I was in there so long though.
Yeah, I'm gonna come in from the field.
Yeah.
The Turnigy outlasted it, letting me bring it in for a butter.
Oh shit, you're coming in well? Oh, so nice. Oh, a little far, you're far. Oh.
No! I have no clue how high I was.
But he couldn't use less of the f***ing runaway.
Fucking hell, yeah, don't f***ing run away, he does that. So, here I have the 15.2 volt Turnigy battery, and we're going to be taking it to the skies with our RCA320 and our new DIY RC jet. So, this jet is custom made of two 50mm EDFs, and it pulls a load of power, causing great stress on the battery. Only thanks to the fact that it's lighter and smaller than other batteries of its size, we were able to fit it into our jet and get a good flight out of it. I think that's a good idea. Just bring it down smooth. Yeah. Oh my god! Dude! After a super fast charge, we put the Turnigy battery into our RCA320, and this thing flew like a beauty. No problems whatsoever. Now, if you're looking for great batteries that fit your needs, I've got a link down below where you can check these out for yourself. That's it from me, and happy flying.